Hi guys, we've got this old Kryptonite here, which has been lopped off with a angle grinder, sent to me by Lockpicker 69. Kryptonite Evolution, doesn't say much else on it. 3 stars, some sort of code which is rubbed off. It's got a nice cover over there, supposedly to keep the crap out, but I'm fairly sure it's not been over because it's been full of crap. It's full of rubbish. Ooh. Keeps falling out of it. So I can't use a shim on this, which is kind of annoying for me, because that little red knob, so I've just adjusted the head down so it's sitting on top of there, and I'm going for that. Let's see if that can do it. My little girly hands can only just get around this lock. Right, so I've zeroed all the discs, I think. There we go, here's a tension issue straight away. No, I didn't zero that one because it's stuck. I have no idea how many discs are in here. Quite a few, I think. I don't have a key. Not sure how best to pick this, to be honest. Best to hold it. That might work. Yeah, okay. So let's find bottom one. Nope, nothing on there. So I'm going to put it back. Go for the next one up. So a little sort of a jump there when it went in. Feels a bit like a gate. So we'll try the next one. Binding. Hard. I've hardly got any tension on this. Okay. Little bit of movement on the tension handle there when it dropped into that one. Find the next one. Not sure I did this one now. Yeah, maybe I did. This one, oh, this one's binding. A little more movement on tension there. Handle. Go for this one. I should have been counting them, shouldn't I? Or writing it down or something. Well, that's the top one. So we've not opened it, so something's not right. That one feels okay. And that one. Tension has moved. Yep. Yep. So where have we gone wrong? Yep. Yeah, I think there's just one left somewhere. Okay, get on it. Nothing, so that's going to be a 0. Just check them all back up and then we'll see if I need to rotate the top. It feels like it's in a gate, as does that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was 2. Gonna put it back. Yeah. Ah, that one wasn't. It is now. Lost you. Bloody tension's not straight again. Okay, so that one's okay. That one's okay. There we go. Whew, I think that's got it. Yep. Look at that. And without the aid of a tensioner, but I did actually have that little slider to keep it straight. There we go. What a beautiful old beast. Thanks for watching, guys.